Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to start a new lecture based on how structures, prestressed concrete and demolition for civil engineering students. How structures. Many of you are familiar with the word wall structure. Wall structure, there is no special definition for wall structure, but it is defined based on the height of structure. Usually we say if the height of the structure is greater than 80 meters, then the structure is called as wall structures. So basically, wall structure is defined based on height. Mainly classified into 5 types: multi-story residential building, multi-story commercial building, tall chimneys, towers, cooling towers, transmission towers. You will be seeing based on material. Wall structure is classified based on materials: concrete, brick, glass, metal, plastic, natural and man-made fibers. Structure system. How the structure is made. It may be made for moment assisting frame, shear wall frame, shear truss, outrigger braced system, frame tube, tubing tube system, bundle tube, truss tube, modular tube. Here you can see the different structures all over the world: composite system, partial tube system, woodman towers. Here you can see the different continental bank tower. These all are huge tall structures all over the world. Method of construction. Mainly the method of construction is related to the ordinary construction. Foundation laying, underground structure laying, above ground structure erection, roofing, finishing work, etc. World Trade Tower near 441 meters. First building to be tested in turbulent boundary layer flow wind tunnel. Here you can see the different topmost wall structure, which comprises one of the topmost tower structure. Here I have mentioned the top 10 wall structures. Prestressed concrete. What is prestressed? Prestressed means we are inducing stress in the concrete, so that when the concrete is in water condition, then stress may not develop. So we are inducing stress in the concrete. First we will be seeing the advantage. What is the advantage of stress? Used for high spread concrete and steel prestressed member resulting lighter and slender members. In fully prestressed member, the member is free from tensile stresses and a working load. The whole of the structure is effective. That load may be counterbalanced by eccentric distance. These are the advantages for the possess better resistance to shear force, high strength concrete and freedom of cracks. There is a freedom of cracks. Thus, it would improve durability. Long span structures are possible. Factory products are possible. Prestressed members are tested for use. So these are the advantages of prestress. Here you can see what of this Demolition is moving on. Bends and crack for normal concrete. But if we have a prestressed concrete, it is already stressed before while preparing, and thereafter if the loaded truck is moving on the prestressed concrete, there will be no cracks in the prestressed concrete. There is a disadvantage also. First disadvantage is the initial equipment cost is very low. Scarcity of experienced engineers. The prestressed sections are brittle. It is less fire resistance. Terminology. There will be tendon. Tendon means the prestressed wire we are using the concrete for stretching purpose. Anchorage. Anchorage is a device used to enable the tendon in part-time maintain the prestress in concrete. In tendon we are preparing the prestresses. Pre-tension. There will be two methods of prestress. It may be pre-tension or post-tension. Pre-tension means first the tendon is passed through anchorage and it is pressed to a limit. Thereafter concrete is poured in the anchorage and between the anchorage and cured. Thereafter these tendons are cut. This is called pre-tension. And post-tension, the tendons are passed through anchorage. Concrete is poured. After 24 hours, thus tendons are pressed. This and their tendons are cut afterwards. This is called post-tension. Tensioning devices. There will be mechanical device, electrical device, or chemical device to stress the tendons. Here is the classification of prestressed concrete. Pre-tension concrete is poured on this anchorage of fixed in this device. Tendons are stressed, in which the tendons are tensioned before. We have discussed already. The tensioned before the concrete is placed and thereafter concrete is laid. Post tension, in which the tendon is tensioned after concrete has been hardened. This is the difference between re-tensioning and post tension. Now I'll be talking about demolition. Destroying the building or other structure. Okay. So this is usually done when the building is in a scrap condition or the building is outdated. For demolition, it is a major challenge for the companies in a congested area. You can say in congested area, in a particular quality of demolition techniques becomes an essential element which determines the success of revitalizing of cities. In addition to efficiency in demolition, strategies must be adopted to avoid noise, vibration, dust, which affect the surrounding environment, and must be effective disposal of waste products. What are the factors affecting the evolution of demolition? Main access and safety. Main thing of demolition is safety is the main factor. As build details of structures, we need details of structures, confirmation of the absence of distressing, initial exploratory works, equipment and method to be used, method, statement required, sequence of operation, possible temporary supports, possible protection equipments, requirements, environmental compliances, disposal of material, consultations with the design office. These are the factors affecting evaluation of demolition. For any demolition, industrial or building or any structure, first of all, evaluation is to be done must. Now to talking about the classification of demolition methods. This can be a simple demolition by machine, hammering stone, hand hammer, large size hammers. It can be used with machine or manual demolition also using hammering. Or here you can see a machine called winkling ball machine. This ball is used for demolition purpose also. It is classified in the whipping category. Jack up by hydraulic jacks. So here are the four classification of demolition method. Fifth one is hydraulic breakers. These breakers are used for small demolitions. Abrasions. These are the different types of abrasion. Thereafter, bursting, cylinder, gas cylinder, chemical, and using chemicals, explosives, etc. Or you can say melting. These are the different methods of demolition. Here you can see the different methods of demolition by human operating. All the humans are used in the demolition. Deliberate collapse method. Third one, using of applied puller push forces, use winkling ball, use of powered machine, use of saw cut method by explosion. For any demolition purpose, safety measures will be taken first, which may be environmental or any worker or surrounding or any animals or any line, electric lines, water line, cable line, etc. Thank you guys.